Struggling with inaccurate ad tracking? Meet Infinite FB and TikTok Pixels, the smarter way to track every event and improve your ad performance. Learn how to set up the Pinterest pixel correctly. Click on Add Pinterest Pixel. You'll find two setup options: Conversions API and Tag Manager. Choose Tag Manager, then simply complete the required fields to proceed. Tag Manager handles browser-side tracking, while Conversions API manages server-side tracking, ensuring more reliable and accurate data collection for. To find your Pinterest tag ID, head over to adsreporting.com, then go to Ads Reporting and open the Conversions section. Here, you'll see two options: Tag Manager and Conversions API. Open Tag Manager, go to the Pixel Tag Setup, and locate your tag ID. Copy the tag ID and paste it into the designated field to complete the setup. Click on Save to complete your browser-side tracking setup. Next, to enable server-side tracking, click on Add Pinterest Pixel and choose Conversions API. Now, complete the required fields shown below to proceed with the setup. To obtain your Pinterest account ID, go back to adspinterest.com and navigate to the Conversions API section. There, you will find your account ID. Copy it and paste it into the required field. For the access token, click on Generate New Token, then copy the generated code and paste it into the designated field to complete the setup. Now click on Save. Your server-side tracking setup is complete. Next, we'll test whether everything is working correctly. Click on Edit and enable test events. Please note that this mode is only for testing purposes. All triggered events will appear under the Test Events section, allowing you to verify that your tracking is functioning properly. Now, we will perform some actions on the store to verify that everything is working correctly. As you can see, the initialized event is being triggered. Let's test a few more events to confirm the setup. All tags are firing properly, which indicates that our tracking is functioning as expected. Now that the testing is complete, we will turn off test events. That's it for this video on Pinterest Pixel Setup. I hope this guide helped you understand the complete process step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or run into any issues during setup, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.